In this tutorial, we're going to discuss the Google Search Console, as well as register our site by verifying ownership. The Google Search Console, formerly Google Webmaster Tools, is a completely free and indispensably useful tool and can help kickstart the SEO process. The Search Console provides us with the ability to view incredibly detailed information about our site, as well as insight about its performance. First, we need to add and verify our site in the Search Console to prove to Google that we are the site owner, webmaster, or authorized user. The process of adding our site is fairly straightforward, and while there are a couple different methods of verifying ownership, we can easily connect our site to the Search Console using the Yoast SEO plugin. We begin by logging into our Search Console account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one. Once we are logged in, we can add our site by clicking the red Add Property button and then typing in our website's URL. It's important that the URL we enter here matches the preferred domain we previously specified in the WordPress settings screen. After we've confirmed that the URL matches our preferred domain, proceed by clicking the Add button. Next, we are asked to verify our site. There are a couple different ways we can go about this. The recommended method is to download and upload the HTML verification file. That's way too complicated, especially considering the Yoast SEO plugin allows us to easily connect our website to the Google Search Console from within the admin area of WordPress. This is really simple. All we need to do is click on the Alternate Method tab, select HTML tag, and copy the code that is in parentheses after content. Leave this page open since we are going to return to it shortly. In a separate tab, log into your WordPress account. Go to SEO from the left side navigation menu and click Dashboard. Click on the Webmaster Tools tab and paste the code under Google Search Console. Don't forget to click the Save Changes button. We're nearly done. Switch back over to the Google Search Console and click the Verify button. And that's it. We've successfully added and verified our site with the Google Search Console.